You take off the old exhaust, you put on this exhaust, and you're done. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. All right, guys, we finally got the exhaust in for the old Cummins back there. And let me tell you one thing real quick. This is a seriously nice exhaust. Okay, so this is a 5-inch turbo back straight pipe for the old 5.9. I mean, I had the straight pipe, but it's a Cummins, bro. Come on. So this here's the downpipe. You can see the exhaust flange there that goes to the exhaust housing. And this is a seriously nice exhaust. I mean, the bends on here are primo. It is stainless. And it's very clean, all the cuts are precise. So I am proud and pumped to announce that this is the new exhaust that we're gonna be carrying on the website. So let's get this puppy on the truck.
A few minutes later.
All right, guys, I got absolutely covered, like plastered in dirt. So I started off trying to like remove the old exhaust. Didn't want to come off. We cut it right off. Whatever, what are you gonna do? So final fitment on the tailpipe, it sticks out a little far. I'll probably end up trimming that back a little bit. The piece that's left over is the piece for, you know, say if you have like an 8-foot bed or something like that. So real quick, I want to talk about the clamps that you get with our kit here. So these right here are what kind of sets the kit on a higher level. These are very nice clamps. You know, they go all the way around, and you know they're very tough. You can really tighten these things down, and you know not really have any issues. I've never actually over tightened one of these and stripped them out, and I'm pretty good at doing that. So anyways, good clamps. So final fitment going down through from the downpipe all the way back. So you don't actually connect the downpipe to the back of the turbine housing. You connect it to that little elbow that comes off turbine housing, and then it goes the rest of the way out. You retain the factory V-band clamp from the elbow, and then fitment all the way back is perfect. Full clearance, and this is the 5-inch, no muffler, straight pipe all the way out. So we gotta drive the thing. See that cobweb down there? Oh yeah, we're gonna probably officially run out of gas. So no tuning required. This is a pre-emission diesel, so it doesn't have any of that garbage on there that everyone's causing a big stink about. So you take off the old exhaust, you put on this exhaust, and you're done. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. If you have a Cummins, you should be running a 5-inch straight pipe. Now that is my personal preference. Everyone has their own opinion, but people walking on the road, how you doing? I think that's what you should be running. If you have it piped all the way out of the back of the truck, it doesn't drone, really. Not that bad. Like, listen, I have the windows down, but five-inch straight pipe, Cummins, do it, just do it. All right. Link in description if you guys want to get an exhaust. Just listen to this.